Hello, do you want to learn English for your school exam, or for your work and money, or for your boyfriend or girlfriend? Keep listening to my English story to practice with me. Today's story will be crazy, but don't look at the subtitles, okay? Today's story is about when my friend Emma went to a nightclub. Emma loves going to nightclubs and concerts for music and parties. And one night, Emma was going to see her favorite DJ, Medusa, at a nightclub. And Emma was really excited. I was at home sleeping, but at 1 a.m., I get a message from Emma. And I'm checking her message, and Emma suddenly says that my mom is at the nightclub. And I cannot believe what I am reading. Emma says she sees my mom in the far corner of the concert. I tell Emma I don't believe her and to send me a picture to prove it. So 2 minutes later, bing, I get a picture, and it's my mom and Emma together at the nightclub at 1 a.m. and I'm wondering why. But it turns out my mom has a double life. My mom that I know is quiet and peaceful, but my mom goes to nightclubs and likes to also have fun. She has a double life, and I did not know. But many people have double lives, like Superman and Batman and Spider-Man. So I guess my mom is like Superwoman. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, I am so impressed. If you understood, can you explain what a double life means? Do you know anyone who has a double life? Or do you have a double life? Okay, tell me in the comments and keep practicing your English every day. Your English will improve.